Ross is in now, and a lot of people have dinner plans on this Valentine's Day.
And
Not a bad day to be out.
Couldn't go any better.
Yep.
I could say that. Things warmed up just in time for us. Temperatures reached into the low 50s today. And hey, it was overall a beautiful day. It's pretty breezy though. However, winds coming from the southwest didn't feel as bad as how it was the day before, where we had those breezy winds coming out of the west-northwest. And as we begin to see the sunset here off into the distance, seeing a lot more clouds into the picture tonight. So we'll actually be seeing a cold front push through, but really not going to be dipping down that cold tonight. Temperatures might be actually a little bit warmer than what they were this morning. Right now, we're at 47 degrees here in Zanesville. Starting to see that change in the wind direction. It's westerly now. Then we'll see a northwest wind, which will bring back those pretty brisk conditions for us for the next few days. But hey, we got a nice warm up in store. So taking a look at temperatures from today, fairly mild. Hard to believe last year at this time we had a record low of -2 and we had a high today of 52. I know Randy down in Blue Rock saw a high of 53 today, so a lot of 50s across the area. And really, as that sun's beginning to set, temperatures dropping a little bit into the mid to upper 40s across most of southeastern Ohio. And taking a look across the state, you can see that's pretty much the agreement amongst the state as well. So we do have some pretty big changes on the way, but let's enjoy this warm-up we had in the past 24 hours. You can see a magnitude of at least 5 degrees across most locations, especially up towards the northeast. 14 degrees warmer in Youngstown at this time. But these winds, as I mentioned, we got to keep an eye on them because we're going to have those breezy conditions carrying through the evening hours, and then they're going to start to change to the west, then the northwest. That's where we're going to start to see some more of that colder air come across, where we could see a chance of some lake effect snow showers into tonight and tomorrow. So taking a look at our surface map, this will be the system we'll be watching. The one down to the south really didn't bring much for us, just some passing clouds throughout the course of the day. So as you can see here on Live Max Storm Radar, really in the past 6 hours, just saw this boundary layer just bring some clouds. Mainly most of the moisture is staying well south right along the Kentucky and Tennessee line. So really not going to be seeing much precipitation with this system anyways. And as you can see right now, we have mostly clear skies. So we'll take a look at that on our futurecast for you guys going into the overnight. If you have any plans for this evening, it looks like it's going to be pretty great out there. Temperatures will be into the low 40s, but as you wrap things up overnight, we'll be seeing this front push through the region. Could see a chance of just some snow flurries throughout the region. Not going to be looking at anything as far as accumulation-wise. Some more lake effect snow showers will then fall through the region, but really air is a little bit too cold and the lake temperature kind of not mixing up right, so we're not going to be seeing the right ingredients to see a lot of lake effect snow, but we will see some slight showers move through the region towards the northeast, especially as we go through the remainder of the day on Wednesday with that reinforcing cold air as well. So for tonight, we could see some passing flurries after midnight, low temperatures right around 30 degrees. And for the day tomorrow, we'll start to see that brisk wind come into play with temperatures topping off into the mid-30s. Then as we take a look at your 7-day forecast, we're going to be seeing temperatures reaching into the 50s this weekend, and then, hey, looking at 60 for next Tuesday.